Hey there guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to take a look at a case for the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro from Speck. So this is the Presidio Perfect-Clear. This is a new case from Speck for the iPhone 12 series. So this one is for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. They do make one for the 12 Pro Max as well. So this is a revised version of a previous case that they had. And of course, off the bat, you can see that it does include the MagSafe ring. So that means this will work with all your MagSafe accessories that you have. Now this is clear. It only comes in clear for this case. It does come in at a price of $49.95. And of course, some of the features of this are that MagSafe ring. It does have 13-foot drop protection, and it does have Microban with it, so it will help keep your case germ-free, which is nice to see. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out this case. So I do have my iPhone 12 Pro here to test out with the case. Our packaging is pretty simple. We do have Speck branding. We have a nice clear view of the case and some of the features of it as well. And on the back, it does give some more information. So of course, compatible with MagSafe, so it's compatible with MagSafe accessories as well as third-party MagSafe accessories. You do get a lifetime warranty with this case, have that 13-foot drop protection and the antimicrobial product protection. So right off the bat, I can tell this is a tough case just based on the thickness of the case as well as how rigid it is. So the sides of the case, as you can see, don't have a lot of flex. The bottom and the top also are very rigid, which is nice. So this should definitely be drop resistant, like it says, up to that 13 feet. And then if we try to move the case, you can see it doesn't flex a whole bunch. So some of the cheaper cases probably would flex a little bit more than this. It does feel like it's a mixture of TPU and plastic, which is nice. We can see on the back we do have a little ridge around the camera lens, so it does protrude a little bit, so your camera is going to be protected. And then the power button does stick out a little bit, as well as the volume buttons. So we should have some nice clicky buttons, and we'll test it out in just a sec. Nice cutout for our silent switch, and then we also have cutouts for our lightning, speaker, and microphone. Those look nice as well. All right, so let's go ahead and put the phone in the case. So let's see how easy it is to get in there. So we're just going to go in from the side and just try to snap it in place if we can. Yeah, it's a little tough to get on. There we go. Just needs a little coaxing, and there it is. So taking a look at our phone in the case, you can see we have this really nice clear design. So of course we can show off our iPhone 12 or 12 Pro in its true colors. We do have that MagSafe ring in the back, Apple logo right up front and center. We have Speck branding at the top right corner. And as you can see, the cutout for the camera is perfect. We do have a little raised bevel edge around the camera, so that will protect it when you put it down on its back. On the side, you can see it is also clear, so we can appreciate the nice shiny edges of our iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12. And then we can check our buttons here real quick. So they are a little tough to push. Not terrible though, but this again is a tough case, so hopefully it'll wear in a little bit over time. Now we can see we have our silent mute switch, and that is a perfect cutout as well right there. Going down the line, we do have some more Speck branding on the side. On the bottom, we have perfect cutouts for our lightning, speaker, and microphone, so nothing's being blocked or anything, which is nice to see. And on the front, you can see we do have a nice beveled edge around the front as well, so we do have protection for our iPhone 12 or 12 Pro screen, so you can put it down on its face and not worry about your screen breaking, which is also nice. Now, unfortunately, I don't have an actual MagSafe accessory, but I do have this ESR Halo Lock wireless charger, and it should work just fine with a MagSafe case, so let's go ahead and try it out. And voila, as you can see, works just fine. And it's not going anywhere. So it will work with any MagSafe accessory that you throw at it. So that's just a quick look at the Presidio Perfect-Clear from Speck. So this does, of course, include the MagSafe ring, so you can now use this with any MagSafe accessory or third-party MagSafe accessory you may have. It does have 13-foot drop protection. It is definitely a nice, tough case. And of course, it is clear, so you can see your iPhone 12 or 12 Pro in all of its glory. And it does include Microban to prevent germs on your case. So a lot of nice features for this case. Again, it does come in at $49.95. I'll leave a link down below where you guys can check this out. And a big thank you to Speck for sending this out to review. If you guys have any questions or comments about this case, feel free to leave them down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.